In this tutorial we show you how to create your first random table of contents. With these tables you can then create your own random generators or modules. In this example, we have created a color table containing blue, yellow, red, green and white. These will then be the possibilities when randomly generating this table. Category, language and visibility must be specified. The tables we create can only be used in modules of the same language, so keep this in mind. If we set a table to private, we will only be able to use it for our random generators or modules. If we set the visibility to public, any user will be able to use them in their modules. Now we create a second table called ages, which we will use later in our module to randomly give us an age. Once we have created the table, we can modify it at any time by clicking on the Edit button. You can also test the results by clicking on the gold button. Additionally, the web subscribers called RolePlayer can generate content using artificial intelligence. We will have to make a request, the number of lines we want, the language and the maximum number of points we want to spend. Keep in mind that if we set a maximum, it may not give us all the results. Once we have created our tables, we are going to create a random generator or module that contains them. There are two ways to select tables. The first, which is selected by default, looks for the public tables of all users. In our case, all tables are private, so we click to deselect it. In the search engine, type the name of our table, click on it and it will be added to the field. We choose whether the field is large or small and its display width. We can edit it at any time. To visualize the module, click on the golden I button. Now we are going to create a field that uses a public table of the community. We have to go to the Tables section, choose the one we want to use and copy its identifier. We go back to our module, edit the field and, with the selected click on Community Tables, paste the identifier or name of the table. Finally, let's create a field with text between tables. First we add the large field of 12 spaces. You can toggle between text and tables, but remember that to choose your private tables, the Community Table Lookup button must be unchecked. Thank you very much for supporting the platform. We hope this video tutorial solves all your doubts. If you need more help, in the description of this video we leave a link with frequently asked questions and our social networks.